Hey, what's up, Babydoge coin holder? It's a very bad time for Babydoge coin holder, but don't see my friend the short fell. Definitely, I have good news for all my friends holder now, because as you can see here in last 7 days, 4.06% they are in the profit. So kindly don't see the last 1 hour, the last 24-hour chart, my brother. Definitely, sometime every coin, my friend, will very badly falls down, but that does not mean to this coin is going in the garbage and they cannot do anything, my brother. So I hope my brother Babydoge coin will wake up and get a very good profit, but just and only, my friend, if you have if you have invest more and more. If you it's all depends on you, my brothers, to if you hold, if you invest, so absolutely they will my friends move upward. But if you starting selling, and my friends, so therefore they will fail down and they cannot give you a profit. So please don't sell it, and absolutely if you hold, so I hope they will give you a profit. Babydoge coin holder, one thing I want to tell you to this time, my brother, the price is very cheap. There is no price, my brother. I hope the price will be moving upward now, but just only, my friend, if you invest more. So if you have any plan to invest more, so kindly, my friends, please research personally, and after that, my friend, take any decision. So Babydoge coin holder, hope you understand. Please like video and subscribe our YouTube channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.